The soils of many countries in Africa, including Malawi, are very depleted in nutrients. Every year, farmers are harvesting less and less food from their fields. Changing climate also means prolonged dry spells where there is no rain and the food crops shrivel, or heavy rains which flood the fields. The net effect is that many subsistence farmers have less food for their families. People are hungry for many months of the year. NCM Canada is currently working in partnership with NCM Malawi, Bangladesh Nazarene Mission, and NCM Nepal to help farmers in these contexts adapt to climate change and produce more food for their families. We hope in the future to expand our assistance to farmers in other contexts. In Bangladesh and Nepal, the projects are not called conservation agriculture. They are known by the broader term food security, but the underlying principles and practices of the agricultural components are very similar to conservation agriculture, also known as CA. NCM Canada is promoting and funding CA projects in Malawi. We have taught the methods of CA in 31 villages with over 1,000 farmers. Digging planting holes and filling them with compost helps retain moisture and supplies needed nutrients to the plants. Intercropping with legumes and using them as ground cover between the rows of maize or corn fixes nitrogen from the air and makes it available to maize crops and also provides shade for the soil during droughts. Farmers' clubs are formed in each community where CA is practiced. Farmers come together at the church for a weekly Bible study, prayer, and discussion of farming issues. Neighboring farmers will notice the increased yields and begin to adopt the methods. Neighboring villages will also notice the increased yields and new methods and ask the church to bring CA to their village. Whenever conservation agriculture spreads to a new community, a church is planted. In Malawi, Bangladesh, and Nepal, Canadian Food Grains Bank is providing technical expertise for our conservation agriculture projects. In Bangladesh and Nepal, our funds are matched 1-to-1 by the Canadian Food Grains Bank. Support for CA projects comes mainly from two sources. The first is our NCM Gift Catalogue. $60 will provide training for a farmer. $30 will provide seed for demonstration plots, but any donation is welcomed. The second source of funding is through our fundraising for Canadian Food Grains Bank. The sponsorship pays for crop inputs such as seed, fertilizer, land rental, equipment, fuel, and more. When harvested, the crop is sold and the proceeds are donated to the Nazarene account at the Canadian Food Grains Bank. For more information, or to get involved, or to donate, please visit our website at www.ncmcanada.ca. Thank you for supporting conservation agriculture. Thank you for helping farmers produce enough food to feed their families. And thank you for helping the gospel spread.